Welcome traders, this is Chris here from the tradingmentors.com. Hope you are well. We're talking about hyper trends or parabolic trends as the members call it, and we're going to show you what that means, how you get it, and also which pairs are trending right now, where you can get in right now, well, when the market's open of course, so that you can see and get the results that you deserve. So this is oil. Congratulations. How do we know it's parabolic? First of all, we've got a buy signal. Secondly, the SAR is confirmed. This is your trailing stop. Are the buys in? Yes, they are. All the buys in. Everything goes green when the buyers step in. So you know that it's going parabolic. If you want to trade 10 minutes a day, this is the way to do it. Simply buy this day, buy this day, buy this day, buy this day. Doesn't matter when. Get in, get in, get in. Your stop is the blue line. You just move your stop every day. Takes 10 minutes. That's it. We'll do the analysis in the next few minutes. Put your feet up and enjoy the parabolic trends. Before we do that, make sure my mic's switched on. Before we do that, let's have a look at the news for this week, because that could impact on your swing trades or your sniper trades. We do that during the week for members. So if you want to become a member, we go deeper into the markets and do the 4-hour chart and so on. So Monday, no impact, high impact news at all. Tuesday, we've got Canadian CPI. Look out for that if you're holding any Canadian dollars. Then Wednesday, we've got the interest rate decision out of the US. Really big day there, so that's probably going to have a high impact on dollars, of course. And Thursday, news out from the US. US is the unemployment claims as per usual. And then Friday, we've got the Bank of Japan press conference, so look out for that. That could have a nice impact on our yen pairs. And then we've got flash manufacturing PMI for the dollar. So, but I will remind you of these news events. None on Monday, but nonetheless, I will remind members what's going on. So, parabolic trends, what are they? Very few people know about these or get even mentioned, which is really surprising to me. But nonetheless, that's what we do here at the Trading Mentors. And as we can see, the DXY is parabolic. We can see that all the buyers are in. So it's a no-brainer. This price is going up. Yes, there's going to be a pullback, probably down to this area, support area here, before it goes to 105.89, stronger dollar. Now the yen futures are really important in correlating with the yen pairs, isn't it? So whenever you see a parabolic trend to the downside, in this instance for the yen futures, then what happens then? All the yen pairs go up. That's the correlation. That's how it works. So we don't trade this. You can do, but well, I don't trade it. But we use this for correlation to the yen pairs. Now we can see that the price has got up to the predicted area here into the red order block, the sell zone. So we do expect this to roll over and break down to 66.25. This means that yen pairs, if that happens, will go up. Dow Jones, onto the indices. Dow Jones is going parabolic. All right, it's not quite there yet. Probably by Monday. So look out for this. We're waiting for the buy confirmation first. All the buys are in, which is what we're looking for. So as long as it holds on to this support area here, we can see the long-term trend on the Advanced Pro charts. Target 35,706. Now, we are not interested in anything that's not parabolic, okay? That's really, really important to understand. Even if you're a sniper trader, even if you're a swing trader, you want to swing trade and snipe trade the parabolic trends, okay? That's the first thing. So iron out all the ones that are non-parabolic. This is the NASDAQ. This is not parabolic. How do we know? We've got two lots of sellers. We've got two lots of buyers. It is not, doesn't have any sense of direction. Okay, so very easily, it takes 10 minutes a day. You go through your charts, you decide which ones are parabolic. You can see my blues to say what's parabolic. And you mark them. Once they're parabolic, they're the only ones you're going to trade. So, is the FTSE parabolic? Yes, it is. All the buys are in. So you could have bought this. What could you have done? You could have bought this here. You could have bought this here, you could have bought this here, you could have bought this here. Your stop, protected stop, is here, 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 here. If you bought it here, your stop's down there. If you bought it there, your stop's down there. If you bought it there, your stop's down there, and so on and so forth. So it is parabolic, all the buys in. Hit our target 7550. Congratulations if you bought that earlier from last week's analysis. So this is tradable, probably likely to pull down to a support area around here, 7600, before it goes on to 7911. I've done the analysis, so you're okay. I've worked out which ones are parabolic, so don't worry, this is not a long video. Please stick with me. Apparently it helps my algorithm. I don't know. That's what I'm told. This is all back to oil, and as we said, gone parabolic, 1,000 pips there. Even if you're 50 cents a pip, you know, $500, then, you know, it's better than nothing, isn't it? So even if you just go 50 cents a lot, just go do it. Don't hesitate. Just do it and feel good about it, because you will make good money. 89.89 it hit, which is our last week target. So we do expect a pullback, of course, and then it goes on to $94. Now it's important not to skip forward, because some of these I'm going to go through are really good trades to be had. This is the Aussie yen. It is parabolic. Yes, it is. All the buys are in. Fantastic news. So this is going much, much higher. Now I've got a prediction here of 99. It's going up to 99. All right. So that is another 400 pips in the next week or two. Now the targets can be for this week. They can be a bit longer depending how fast the markets want to move, and depending on the yen futures and how far it goes in terms of collapsing. So break of the triangle formation, which we've seen to the upside, and change of character, actually more like break of structure to me, but nonetheless higher to 99. Canadian yen, is it parabolic? What do you think, guys? How long would it take for you to work out when something's parabolic? How long would it take for you to put a trade on and work out your stop? Okay, target's a little bit more tricky to calculate, but nonetheless, this is parabolic to the upside. Further upside momentum, probably a little bit of a pullback down to 108.36 before it goes to 112. Pound yen is not parabolic, I'm afraid not. However, an interesting trade. We are short this just on a sniper trade, but nonetheless parabolic to the downside. So if you're looking for sniper trades or swing trades, then these are the ones to look for. I do, however, predict that this price is going higher. Not parabolic yet, but it will do. Once it converts, I'll let you know in the members room. If you want to become a member, I do this daily during the New York session. I'll do a video, and it's pre-recorded and it's video on demand, so you can watch it anytime you like. And we go into the 4-hour chart. So we're going closer to the market, and I will look at the 4-hour chart to see what's going on, to confirm that it's ready, and also for sniper trades as well. Some people seem to love that. I don't know why, but people love the sniper trades. 188.50 is the next target after it's rebounded. New Zealand yen, what do you think? Parabolic? Bet your life. All the buyers are in, heading higher. So buy it now, put your stop down here. 86.16. It's only 100 bips or so. That's all right, isn't it? So target 89.20. Final one for today. Hopefully you've enjoyed that. Put in some comments. Apparently that's good for my algorithm as well. I don't know. But nonetheless, the final chart is the Canadian Swiss. Parabolic to the upside. Buyers are in. Just put your stop down here and then move your stop. Takes 10 minutes a day. Come back from work and just move your stop. Come back from work, just move your stop. Lock in your profits. Target for this week, 67.72. A nice move coming up on the Canadian Swiss. So just a reminder, Aussie Swiss to the upside, New Zealand yen to the upside, Canadian yen to the upside, Aussie yen to the upside, oil to the upside, FTSE 100 to the upside. No sellers this week, unusual. And the Dow Jones just about getting ready for Monday. So click on the link if you want to become a member, and then we get you started. It's free for 2 weeks. Have a great weekend.